Lele Pons, a well-known YouTuber and actress, suffered a severe pitbull bite on her hand while rescuing her dog, Toby, from an attack. Despite her injury, Pons delayed medical treatment to participate in a game show in New York, demonstrating her dedication to helping others win free rent. The incident occurred just 15 hours before her appearance on the show, where she played Despite the Pain, hoping to secure free rent for participants. Pons, visibly shaken, recounted the terrifying moment she intervened by putting her hand in the pitbull's mouth to release her dog, highlighting her protective instincts as a pet owner.